last but not least is the pillow. Glidden Premium Base 1. I like to use it in satin. You can get eggshell, semi-gloss, high gloss, all that jazz, but I like satin. Glidden Base 1. It's Glidden Premium Base 1 in satin. You get it from Home Depot. And here we go. The messiest part of it all starts now. This one, each time you get you get a different batch, right? With each can that you buy. Sometimes the batch is like perfect. Other times it's too runny or too thick. And this one I think is a little too runny, but I don't know. We'll see. So this is this. Here we go. So I also like to add American Floetrol to my pillow to help even. It levels. What Floetrol does too is it levels out your piece. So I go like this. I just pretty much coat the bottom of this giant quart, basically. It's a quart. It's so painted over, I don't even know. But I fill the bottom with the American Floetrol. And then I get to add in this crazy a little under the weather. Okay, now we stir it. Get it all nice and mixed. Again, that's the creative inspirations. This new ingredient I decided to get and add, play with, basically. Done. We've got the colors mixed, the cell activator mixed, and now the pillow mixed. We're all mixed up. Now we can start painting. I'm not gonna paint yet. So my next video will be me painting using all these paints that I just mixed up. And you start with the pillow, you lay your pillow down, then you lay your colors down, and then you get to swiping, spinning, tilting, voila. But that'll be next video. So this is what I'm going to be going for. Silly, I know. Very, very rough. Sketched it out with pastels. I need to get more art paper, but we're just going to go with this kind of like waterfall, rainbow, swirly, swiggly thing. We'll see how it turns out. All right. Next video will be using these paints.